this is how you set up the handheld microphone. First, the batteries go inside of here. Unscrew this. Shows you how to put them in. I've already put them in. Close that. This is the transmitter, okay? This is the receiver. This part will go on top of the camera right here. You screw this clockwise, will lock into there. And on the side of the camera, there's a little mic input, and the mic input will go into here, okay? Turn on the microphone. There's a little red button. You hold that until that comes on. Now that's going to say a number, 476.1 megahertz. That's the frequency that it's going on. This should match. To put this on, you press this on button inside of the unit. 4761, that's good. And you should be all set to go with the with recording. Now, when you're actually thinking about to test it, you're gonna put on the camera. I don't have a lens right now, but to make sure that it's coming from this, you want to just tap it like this, and you'll see on the camera the audio go like up and down. You don't want to go like this because it might pick up in the camera. So that's how you put it on. That's how you set everything up afterwards. Just hold down these buttons to shut both of them off.